This exercise is called the tactical frog. We are going to be working on our hip depth that we can achieve, as well as the glute and adductor muscle strength in this position. We're going to be working on some hip internal rotation, so this exercise is very well-rounded, very challenging. So your hip and your knee is going to be at 90 degrees out directly to the side of you, like you're in a frog position. So you're going to want to work with the amount of range of motion that you have. If you're higher off the ground, that's okay. When you start out, you'll rest the upper body on your forearms and work on getting your butt as close as you can towards the ground in more of that split position there. And you'll move forward and backwards to work on the hip range of motion and depth. Forward and backward. And then the internal rotation for the hip comes in when we go backwards and we lift the foot off the ground towards the ceiling. So you'll come forward after lifting the foot, go back in, lift the opposite foot, back and forth, working on the hip depth. If it's easier for you at this time to bring the foot off the ground while you're forward, then go ahead and do so. Continue to take your time out of it. When you come out of that stretch, you're also going to want to be very careful too. So you'll bring the legs back in and then rise up to the half kneeling position to come out of the stretch. Work at this at your own pace. Again, it is a very challenging movement for most people, and it's going to help overall with your hip range of motion, as well as hip depth while squatting, and your strength in that position as well.